These AI staircase videos are exploding across Instagram right now. One page gained over 44,000 followers using this exact content style, and their videos are hitting 19 million, 14 million, and even 10 million plus views. But here's the crazy part. I recreated the same viral videos with AI in less than 5 minutes, completely free. In this video, I'll show you the exact method step by step. Subscribe now because we're getting started. So to create these types of videos, first you need to open ChatGPT. Then paste this prompt here and hit enter. You'll find this prompt in the description box below. As soon as you enter it, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral ideas related to this niche. You can create your video on whichever topic you like the most. And if you want more ideas, simply type more ideas and ChatGPT will provide additional ideas related to this niche. So here, I like the second topic the most. So I'll simply type 2 and press enter. As soon as I do that, ChatGPT generates an image prompt, an animation prompt, and even a sound effects prompt. Now we'll generate the image, and for that we'll use Flow. So go to Google and search for Flow. Then open the website and click on New Project. A dashboard like this will appear on your screen. Now click here and select Image. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and keep the result setting at 1x. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt and the negative prompt, paste them here and hit enter. It will take a little time and your image will be generated. So now our image has been generated successfully. Next, we'll animate this image. To do that, first change this setting and select frames to video. Then click on start and click add to prompt so the image gets added to the prompt automatically. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt along with the sound effects prompt, paste them here and hit enter. Within a short time, it will animate your image. So now you can see that my image has been animated successfully. And now it's completely ready to upload. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I reply to everyone. I'll see you in a brand new tutorial. Until then, goodbye.